Welcome to the world's tiniest kitchen. Today, we're making delicious miniature samosas from scratch. Every ingredient is fresh, every detail is handcrafted, and every bite is packed with authentic flavor. Let's begin this tiny cooking adventure. First, we prepare a soft and smooth dough. Flour, a pinch of salt, a little oil, and warm water are gently mixed and kneaded until the dough becomes perfectly soft. This is the secret to crispy, flaky miniature samosas. Now it's time to create the flavorful filling. Fresh onions, ginger, green chilies, and fragrant spices are gently cooked before adding soft potatoes and green peas. Every stir blends the flavors together, creating the authentic taste of a traditional samosa filling. The dough is rolled into thin circles, cut with precision, and folded into tiny cones. Each samosa is filled with the delicious potato mixture, then carefully sealed by hand to lock in every bit of flavor. Every fold is crafted with patience and care, creating the perfect miniature samosa ready for frying. The miniature samosas are gently lowered into hot oil and fried to perfection. As they turn beautifully golden and crispy, their flaky layers become irresistibly crunchy. The rich aroma fills the tiny kitchen, promising a delicious bite in every samosa. Our miniature samosas are ready to serve. Crispy, golden, and packed with authentic flavor, they're perfectly paired with fresh mint chutney, sweet tamarind sauce, and a hot cup of masala chai. Tiny in size, unforgettable in taste. Enjoy every delicious bite. Listen to that perfect crunch. Beneath the crispy golden shell lies a warm, flavorful filling of potatoes, peas, and fragrant spices. Every tiny bite is packed with authentic homemade taste that keeps you coming back for more. From the tiniest kitchen comes a truly unforgettable treat. Crispy on the outside, rich and flavorful on the inside, every miniature samosa is handcrafted with care. Thank you for joining this tiny cooking adventure. See you in the next delicious recipe. The first bite says it all. Crispy, flaky, and bursting with authentic homemade flavor, paired with refreshing mint chutney and a hot cup of masala chai, these miniature samosas turn every moment into a delicious celebration. One bite is never enough. Thank you for visiting our tiny kitchen. We hope you enjoyed watching these miniature crispy samosas come to life. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing miniature cooking adventures. See you in the next recipe.